afternoon, everybody. I got a little project to do. I'm getting tired of mowing around this tree that I cut down or pulled out of the creek. So I'm gonna cut it up in pieces and haul it off so I can start mowing and not have to mow around it. But I'm always gonna get a chance to try out the Ego chainsaw. I use a lot of Ego products around here on the farm. I've got a hedge trimmer, weed eater, and chainsaw, and also have the Ego power station. So I thought, let's get the Ego chainsaw. That'd give us a second chainsaw for the farm, and it would give me a 5-hour battery for the power station, for in case we needed power due to a power outage or something. So anyway, that gives us, I think, two 7.5 batteries on it. One 5 amp hour battery and two 2.5 amp hour batteries. So let's look at this. Yes, that's a tractor, and yes, it runs on diesel. Yes, I just put diesel in it. Am I crazy or what? So anyway, there's the chainsaw we just got. I brought one of the 2.5 amp hour batteries and the 5 amp that came with it. It comes with a 5 amp hour battery. So I'm going to try the 2 amp and see how it does. And I'm going to cut this thing up, haul it off, and then I don't have to keep mowing around it. So let's see what we can do. I got to put a little oil in it, in the chainsaw right there. So let's try it out and I'll let you see how it does. Let's start off with a 2.5 amp hour battery. Let's see how that goes. Whoa. I guess it doesn't like the 2.5 amp hour battery. Maybe I didn't have as much charge on it as I thought. Let's do the 5 then. Yeah, the 5 is a beast. That's a cutting beast. Kind of like the weed eater does. That's a cutting beast. Lots of power. Let's speed it up a little. Let's see what I got left of the 5 amp hour battery after that. Can you see it? Where are you? Right there. 1, 2, 3. 3. I'll take the rest of this to the wood cutting department for firewood later on. That's what I'm going to do. Let's do that. Overall thoughts of this chainsaw: the beast cuts, and it's a good second chainsaw to have if you don't have gas, which gas is not a good thing to have right now. Well, it is if you don't pay much, but at least this way. See, with our Ego power station, I even have solar panels, so I'm able to charge all this with solar panels, so I can charge all the batteries for all the Ego equipment with the sun. So let's go drop this off. The next step is to get out here and mow. So that's my review, I guess you could say, of the Ego chainsaw. And it's the 18-inch by, if you need to know. So let's go put this up and get a drink and get ready to mow. So y'all be good, be safe. This was just a quickie video of this cleanup. Take care. Bye, y'all. Let's go.